I was recently asked to prepare a workshop regarding matrix management. One way to describe matrix organizations is that they overlay a series of projects on a functional organization, with each project drawing from each functional area. Matrix management is one of those organizational structures that's been around for a while, long enough to accumulate both praise and criticism. Therefore, it's one of those topics that I often find in my training material where appropriateness is the key element to success. In other words, the thing that's most important to teach is to teach the reasons behind using a particular structure or process so that the people applying it to their circumstances can correctly gauge the appropriateness of using that structure. For example, if startup founders came to me and asked if matrix management was an appropriate structure for startup, I would have questions. Very frequently, a startup can be described as a simplified form of a functional organization, or obviously enough, a flat organization. You could call it a matrix organization if your matrix has only one row. Unless a startup is trying to develop multiple products with multiple product teams simultaneously, their matrix is going to have just one row. Trying to impose a matrix structure on a startup that has the task of getting their first product out the door is probably counterproductive. There's no matrix to build. On the other hand, a studio specializing in website development, possibly even specializing in a certain set of technologies, could find a matrix structure very useful. Website studios engage in a series of relatively short, relatively similar projects, drawing team members from projects that are recently completed. This kind of organization is well positioned to reap the benefits of a matrix structure. That's a good start, but gaining the most benefits of a matrix organization means knowing how to apply a matrix structure to a particular set of circumstances. In this case, a website development studio could be constantly learning technical knowledge that helps it become more efficient over time, and it becomes the responsibility of the technical functional leadership to make that learning useful across projects in this matrix organization. The project management functional area may find development projects that are similar enough to take advantage of some metrics, even if those same metrics would be useless or even harmful to a startup's unique product development project. These are examples of the ways that appropriateness is foundational to extracting the most value from management structures and processes. Let appropriateness guide your use of tools, structures, and processes.